Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 120 FPS in Battlefield REDSEC. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need to head over to PS5 home screen and then select Settings gear icon. Here, switch to Screen and Video tab. And then on the right side, scroll down to Screen and Resolution section. And make sure 120Hz output option is set to automatic. After that, head back to game and in the lobby, using the R1 button, navigate and select Settings gear icon. On the left side, select Graphics. On the right side, select Performance preset and change it to Auto Performance. After that, relaunch the game and you should get 120 FPS from now onwards. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.